Tools needed for this install is a screwdriver ratchet or quarter ratchet, along with your T20 Torx, T30 Torx, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, 6-inch extension, and a flashlight. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder headlights on a 2014 to 16 BMW Z4 with HID and AFS. First, let's start at the bottom of the vehicle. We're going to remove 5 8mm screws holding the bottom of the bumper. Next, we're going to remove 5 8mm screws holding this cover. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To remove this plastic panel, we're just going to shift it back and remove it. Now we're going to do the same to the other side. After removing the plastic covers, we're going to remove 2 more 8mm bolts holding the bottom of the wheel liner. Go ahead and do the same to the other side. Here at the front driver's side wheel, we're going to have to remove the front wheel liner. So we're going to start by removing this plastic 10mm nut right here. After that, remove 1 more 10mm nut right here. After removing the 2 10mm nuts, we're going to remove 3 8mm bolts. After removing the hardware, we're ready to uninstall the wheel liner. Now, before we remove the wheel liner, we're gonna have to unplug this temperature sensor right here. So just press down on the tab and unplug it. After removing the driver's side wheel liner, let's repeat the same process to the passenger side. Next, remove 7 T30 screws across the top of the grille. Now we're ready to unseat the bumper. Now that we have our bumper removed, we're ready to uninstall our headlights. Starting underneath the headlight, we're going to remove 2 T30 screws. There's 1 here and 1 right here. Next, we're gonna remove the two T30 screws securing the top of the headlight. We have one here and one here. After that, we're gonna carefully unseat the headlight. Now here's the wire harness connector. We're gonna press down on the tabs on the top and the bottom. As we press down, we're gonna unplug it. Next, you're gonna bring over your OEM headlight, and we're gonna be transferring over the AFS module, HID ballast, and the HID bulb. So first, we're gonna pull out the HID bulb. We're gonna turn this cap counterclockwise. Open it up, and here's your HID bulb. You're gonna carefully turn it counterclockwise. And you're gonna carefully pull it out, and make sure you don't touch the bulb. And then from here, you're gonna unplug the HID bulb. So here's your bulb. We have now on the HID bulb, there's a circular bracket. We're gonna have to remove it. So carefully press down on the tab, and you can take it off. Carefully set that bulb aside. Next, we're gonna remove the AFS module. You're gonna remove 4 T20 screws. Now when removing the AFS module, you want to carefully unseat it. So just carefully wiggle it off. So here's the module, carefully set that aside. After that, we're going to remove the HID ballast right here. So remove 3 T20 screws. That's the same as the AFS module. We're going to carefully unseat it by moving it side to side. There it is. Now after removing the HID ballast, you want to make sure the rubber gasket is still on there. Carefully set that aside. Now go ahead and bring over your Spyder headlight. Flip it upside down. Go ahead and grab your HID ballast. We're going to carefully mount it here. Reinstall your 3 T20 screws. Next, we're going to install our AFS module. We're going to carefully seat it here. Reinstall your 4 T20 screws. After that, we're gonna install the HID bulb. So here on the back, we're gonna open up this cap. After removing the cap, inside we have the HID bulb connector, and here's where we drop the bulb in. So before we drop it in, you wanna make sure the clips are unlocked. So go ahead and unlock them. Go ahead and grab your HID bulb, carefully plug it in. And then carefully drop it in. Now you want to make sure the bulb is in there flush, and after it's flush in there, we're going to lock it. So to lock it, you're going to squeeze the clips together, holding the HID bulb. So after you squeeze the clips together, you want to wiggle the bulb, make sure it's in there, and there shouldn't be any movement. So after that, go ahead and reinstall the cap. Next, from the OEM headlight, we're gonna grab the 2 bottom clips that hold the 2 bottom bolts. Just gonna pull them off. And then go ahead and slide them onto your headlight. After that, we're going to transfer over the weather strip here on top of the headlight. You're going to start to unclip it from the outside. And then go ahead and install it onto your headlight. Now we're ready to install our Spyder headlight. Go ahead and bring over your Spyder headlight. Go ahead and plug in your connector into the wire harness. Squeeze it together. Make sure both sides click. Carefully seat your headlight. Reinstall your two T30 screws. The short one goes on the inside, and the long one goes onto the outside. Reinstall your bottom two T30 screws. After installing your driver's side headlight, let's repeat the same process to the opposite side. Go ahead and reinstall your bumper. Reinstall your wheel liner. Before we seat it in place, don't forget to plug in your temperature sensor. Reinstall your three 8mm bolts. Reinstall your two plastic 10mm nuts. Reinstall your two 8mm bolts holding the side of the bumper. Now go ahead and repeat the same process to the opposite side. Reinstall your 7 T30 screws across the top of the bumper. Reinstall your 5 8mm bolts securing the bottom of the bumper. Next, reinstall your two 8mm bolts on each side, securing the bottom of the wheel liner. After that, reinstall your two plastic covers on each side. And then reinstall your 5 8mm bolts on each side. Now that we're finished installing our Spyder headlights, let's close the hood and test all the headlight functions.